Hello friends, welcome back to your channel #DMP Study with me. So this is a new session in which I'm going to discuss with you the placement questions in Python. I am here to helping you for the placements and discuss with you some of the Python code snippets and some of the basic concepts of the Python that will help you to prepare for your placements. Let's get started this session. So the first question, who developed object-oriented programming? So maybe you know who developed Python, but might be possible that you don't know who developed object-oriented programming, because Python is based on object-oriented programming concepts. So this can be asked to you that who developed object-oriented programming. So can you guess who developed object-oriented programming? So options are already in front of you. These are the 4 options. Take your time and write in the comment box. So answer is Alan Kay. Alan Kay developed the object-oriented programming in 1970s, and soon he developed a programming language also that is based on object-oriented programming concept. If you know, please write in the chat box. So answer for this question is C. Let's move towards the next question. Which of the following is not the concept of OOPS concept? So OOPS is the abbreviation for object-oriented programming concepts. So what are the different concepts in object-oriented programming? We have encapsulation, we have polymorphism, we have abstraction and inheritance. So can you guess which is not the feature? So exception is not the feature of object-oriented programming. So the answer should be C, exception. Let's move towards the next question. Which feature of object-oriented programming describe the reusability of the code? Reusability means once you design the code and you are using it again and again. This feature is described by which of the following option: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism or inheritance? So reusability of the code is done by option D, inheritance. Next, move towards the next question. Which of the concept of Java is achieved by combining methods and attributes into a class? Again, we have to concentrate on the concepts of object-oriented programming. What are the different concepts? Encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism and inheritance. Among all 4, which will describe the method and attribute combination, where we combine the methods and attribute into a class? So this is explained by option B, encapsulation. So answer for this is option B, encapsulation. Now the next question, which of the 2 features match each other? Can you tell me the answer? So the options are first inheritance and encapsulation. In inheritance, the derived class accesses the methods and attributes of superclass, and in encapsulation we bind methods and attributes into a class, or you can say that binding of data. So they match with each other? No. Encapsulation and polymorphism, they both are different. Encapsulation is binding of data and polymorphism means one method having different phases. Let's go towards the option C, encapsulation and abstraction. Okay, we do encapsulation to provide the security, and abstraction is to hide all those functionalities that is not useful for the user. So somehow they both are matching with each other. So option C is the correct answer. Now move towards the next question. In Python, a function within a class definition is called because a class contains an attributes and methods. Methods are nothing but they are the functions. So answer is A, method. Next question. What are the methods which begin and end with 2 underscores characters called? Now in Python, we have some special methods that are inbuilt methods, and we need not to invoke it manually. That will automatically invoked when you call the object and when you create the object. Okay, so that kind of methods are the special methods, and they starts and end with double underscore. So they are called as a special method, dunder methods, magic methods. So these are the three names that was mentioned as the special methods: special method, magic methods, and dunder methods. They always start with two underscores and end with two underscores. So answer for this question is A. Towards the next question, objects and class attributes are accessing using dash notation in Python. So in C++, in Java also, we have used the same thing, that whenever we want to access the attributes and the methods of any class or an object, we use dot operator to access it. So the answer will be C, dot operator. Next, when a class serves as a base class for many derived class, means we have a single base class and we have many children of that class. So in this situation, which kind of inheritance it is? We have single base class and that base class having many children. Okay, many means it can be two or more. So that kind of inheritance, it is hierarchical inheritance. So the structure will be tree kind of a structure. So that's why we call it hierarchical inheritance. Towards the next question, when two or more classes serve as a base class, means we have two parents and there is one child class. So there are two root nodes. So the tree will be look like V. Okay, in this situation, this kind of inheritance is known as multiple inheritance. So answer will be D, multiple inheritance. Thank you for the session. I hope it will be beneficial for you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.